Hey, what is going on, guys? I hope you all are having a great week. On today's video, I get to do something I've kind of been wanting to do since I started the channel, and I get to review a local product. Just keep watching. Hey, what's going on, guys? If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell that's next to it. If you like videos like this, hitting those buttons are going to let you know when it happens. So like I said in my intro, I get to review a company that is a local company for me. To explain that, I live in the neighboring county west of St. Louis. The company that I have reviewed, their name is Barrow Brands, and they are located in Collinsville, Illinois. Collinsville, Illinois is literally across the Mississippi River from St. Louis. Just a very short drive into the state and you're in Collinsville, Illinois. So the way the area works, that's pretty much still considered the St. Louis area. So getting right into it again, like I said, the company is called Barrow Brands. It is owned by a gentleman named Jeremy Allen Stanton. He is former United States Air Force, so thank you, sir, for your services. What caught my eye about this company when I was searching for like a local beard company is, well, one, the name Barrel kind of stuck out. It was actually Barrel Beard and Tattoo is what my search came up as. I reached out to them, asked if they'd like me to, asked if it was okay if they would be able to send me something to do a review, and they said sure. So they sent me stuff out, so thank you guys for this opportunity. I do appreciate it. As I was looking through their website and looking over the products, they emphasized, one of the things they talked about was that they age their beard oils in whiskey barrels. And I was just like, hold on, wait a minute. My channel is called Binks' Beard and Bourbon. I love having a beard and I love bourbon. And you're telling me there's a beard oil that's aged in a whiskey barrel? I got to. So again, like I said, I reached out to them. Can you please send me something? I'd love to do a review. They did, and here we are now. So really cool. The packaging is awesome with this company. Very cool, vintagey kind of packaging there. These are the two boxes I got, and they actually make the one image, and if I break them apart here, you can see it does that. Very cool effect there. There's the top of the box. There's the fleur-de-lis, which is it's a very common symbol here in St. Louis. And then this one is it says Still 630, which is a brand. It's a locally made whiskey. The two that I have, this one holds the blend. It's called 595, and then this one holds the blend called Built. So we're going to get into those. So the first one here that I'm going to talk about is 595, and continuing on with the packaging, we got a classic amber bottle. And then the labeling here is very nice. It's a textured label, very high quality label here. Has like a metallic finish to the lettering there. And then here's what I think is really cool. You can tell that this is definitely, they treat this product as their craft. Okay, that is a handwritten 595 to let me know that this is the blend that they have. It has the batch number, I guess for the year, I would imagine. So this is blend number 1, and it was bottled on February of 18. So really, I just think that's so awesome. They put a little bit of that handmade character into this packaging. Very cool stuff. I'll get into the ingredients now. So for both of these, for both blends that I'm going to discuss, I wish I had more details on this, but the Carrier blend is a proprietary vitamin E oil blend. So I will tell you this from just using it, the oil, it does demonstrate a high quality performance. It really does. It lasted me most of my day. I was able to wear it most of the day. The scent even lasted a good portion of my day. I'd have to say at least 3/4 of my day. And if anything, if you were going to work all day, then you were going to come home and then go out later, I'd say maybe put some more oil in just to kind of give a refresh, but really the performance lasted a good chunk of the day. So I was very happy with that. Hold on, I have notes. All right, for the 595 blend, what we have here is it's a locally sourced lavender. Then there's pipe tobacco, sage, bergamot, and orange. And like I said, guys, these oils are aged in barrels, and they even have specific barrels for these blends. So the one here for 595, and I think this is so cool. It is a French oak barrel that was used for making a ruby port wine. So I love port wine too. That's just deep, complex flavors. This barrel was also used previously for making bourbon. So I'm all like, holy wow, this is I'm just I gotta tell you guys, this whole time I'm geeking out as I'm getting to try this stuff. I really am. I can't hide it. So now we're gonna get into how this one smells. All right, so right off the bat, I get a very clean, kind of masculine, all those essential oils that I just read off, the pipe tobacco, and I think that just the barrel that it was aged in with having a port wine really adds like a sweet note to it, but I really get like this clean, masculine, almost cologne smell, a very crisp, clean kind of cologne smell, and then that lavender comes in right away, and I get this really nice floral finish. It is exquisite. This is very nice stuff, and let's just see if you can see the color here a little bit. I don't know, there we go. There we go. Let's see in color. It's relatively clear with a maybe slight yellow hue to it. I really enjoyed this one. I even got some nice compliments from my wife saying she really enjoyed the way this one smelled too. We're going to talk about Built, and between the two, I enjoyed both of these very much, but if I had to tell you my pick between the two, I really enjoyed Built. Again, this is Built. Labeling's the same here, and again, it's handwritten on there, and here's how I know it's handwritten, because there's smudges, probably from me just handling these so much. I just love the fact that this was very much so put together by hand. Now here's what Built has in it. Built has patchouli, Texas cedar, pipe tobacco, and Madagascar vanilla bean. And then Built was aged in a rye whiskey barrel. Again, I'm geeking out because I just love the whole concept that I've come across here. I just think it's amazing. Now, here's what I like. Before I get in, sorry guys, sorry, backing up. See, I'm geeking out already. I'm just wanting to do everything, get into it here. Here's what's really cool with Built. Comparing it to 595, they both of these blends come out of the bottle pretty strong, and that's pretty common with beard oils. 595 it comes out nice and strong. The volume of that smell is really very pronounced. And you just get a lighter version as the oil is able to breathe and kind of open up a little bit. You get a lighter version, and it's still very nice. Built, on the other hand, this guy, it actually shows off there's like two sides to it, and it's not bad. They both work together, but we're going to get into that here. So right out of the bottle, I really get the tobacco and a little bit of that barrel for the aging. That's what I'm picking up. You get a very strong tobacco, a little bit of that vanilla is in there, but yeah, I'm getting a little bit of that barrel that this was aged in. I really like it. But the tobacco is a sweet pipe tobacco type of smell, and this is one of those blends, it really captured that well. And there's the only way to do that is to use the real stuff, obviously. And they did. They've captured that tobacco smell really well, and it's that really nice, sweet pipe tobacco. It's a beautiful smell. They kind of had me at whiskey, beards, and tobacco. And I'm going to put this in because, like I said, it changes a little bit. In my hands, and it goes on there clear. So that barrel smell has left, and I'm getting a lot of tobacco and that vanilla. But this tobacco is oh so nice. It almost, at certain points, I'm almost getting a slight floral note in there. But right now, I'm really getting that pipe tobacco smell is just right there. And that vanilla is really doing a nice at really keeping everything nice and even in the way it smells. This is such an amazing blend. I really enjoy this. For guys like us that use these products to really help keep our beards looking nice and everything, this does everything. It really takes in that masculine side that we want to have, and then it also takes in, just really getting us cleaned up, making us feel good. This is a great blend. I just think this is such a great find for me as a reviewer. I got some local pride in it too. This is good stuff. This really is. All in all, the packaging's great. You can tell they definitely take a lot of pride in what they do. Check this company out. This is definitely a recommend. They have some other really awesome sounding blends on their website. These are two that really stuck out to me. The lavender one, I wanted to try a lavender. I only had one other lavender that I tried, which I really enjoyed that one too. This one's very nice. And then that Built, when I looked at it, I go, oh my gosh, I gotta try that. That just has everything that I love right there in a beard oil. So check this company out. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Hit that subscribe button, and I hope you have a great week. Take care.